done cooking rice. And first I cook red kidney beans here because last night I soaked these red kidney beans in water, so it will be easily to cook. So after I boil, then I cook also, I mix saute also garlic, onion, tomatoes, and put masala. Then and then I transfer in pressure cooker, and then I cook again in gas stove for just 3 minutes. So I transfer that one, then I cook rice. So done cooking for our lunch. Today is July 14 and today is Monday. Time check Pakistan time is 12 noon. So done cooking for our lunch together with dinner. Dito ako nagluto sa kahoy, so can we save gasol. And I have 2 pieces organic eggplants here, so I will make tortang talong. Nag-crave kasi ako sa tortang talong. And this is organic. Ayan. Tama na itong dalawa, or because I have extra before 3 days when I cook this dinengdeng. I did not cook all. And before yesterday, I cook also this sauteed eggplants in pan. So I have still extra too. So I cook this one for tortang talong. Or maybe I will go there down. I will go there down to get one more. So I will make 3. So we'll remove this perpli or pinakapayong. So this is already cooked because I cook first there in wood outside. If I will use this stove, gas cylinder or gasol, then my gasol will finish. So I cook there in wood outside. And then 3 minutes I boil here. So this is already very soft and make like that. Another big again cucumber here. 2 to 3 days ago we get also here. And many more coming small. Mashallah. Ayan. Oh. And there is also here. Before we get there, 2 to 3 days ago. And many flowers coming. So I will get this one for our salad today. It's July 14. And I cook red kidney beans and rice over there. And I have also string beans here, yung sitaw, yung mahahaba. So ito na may bunga na, oh. Mashallah. Ayan, oh. Meron din dito. There is also cucumber here. But I think no more. It's still here. Ito na yung isang pipino. Oh, marami. Ayan. Kain tayo. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Crunchy. Let's eat lunch, everyone. White rice, red kidney beans, curry, salad, onions, and tomatoes. And then tortang talong, organic, and organic cucumber with water.